from Hello everyone, this time to learn study English with Crusoe. This video clip can use 2 weeks for make a worksheet สวัสดีค่ะเด็กๆ เป็นเวลาที่เราจะต้องมาเจอกันในครั้งที่2นะคะสำหรับคลิปวิดีโอนี้ครูให้ใช้ถึงสัปดาห์ที่2และสัปดาห์ที่3นะคะในการเรียนหลังจากนี้ไปครูจะเปิดคลิปวิดีโอให้ดูนะคะวิธีการทำแพนเค้กง่ายๆค่ะไปชมกันเลยค่ะ
This recipe makes the softest, fluffiest pancakes, and most, if not all, the ingredients you should be able to find in your kitchen. Pour yourself a cup of coffee and whip these up for brunch this weekend. Start by measuring out a cup and a half of all-purpose flour into a large mixing bowl. This recipe makes enough for 3 to 4 people, so if you are cooking for more, just double the recipe. You can find a printable version on my website or check the information box below for the measurements. In the same bowl as the flour, measure out 4 teaspoons of baking powder. 4 may seem like a lot, but this is the secret to getting the softest, fluffiest pancake. As the pancakes cook, the baking powder is going to react and create an abundance of air, getting that perfect pancake texture. Lastly, to the dry ingredients, add a pinch of salt. You can add sugar here as well if you would like, around a tablespoon, but I prefer to add sweetness with toppings rather than the actual pancake. Use a wooden spoon to mix the dry ingredients together until they are combined. Set the bowl to the side. In a smaller bowl, mix together the wet ingredients. First, crack in 1 large free-range egg, followed by the milk. I'm using dairy, but you can substitute with soy or almond if you would like. To the egg and milk, add a 1/4 cup of cooled melted butter. Use a fork to mix everything together, making sure the egg is well incorporated. This is optional, but I love a hint of vanilla. Add half a teaspoon of pure vanilla essence and mix again. Make a well in the flour and pour in the wet ingredients. Fold the batter together with a wooden spoon until there are no longer any large lumps. Make sure you're not over mixing, as this will lead to your pancakes being quite tough. I've kept these pancakes quite plain, but if you do want to add blueberries or chocolate chips or any other flavourings, now would be a great time. When you're ready to cook the pancakes, heat a heavy bottom pan like a cast iron over medium-low heat. When the pan is heated, add a small amount of butter to the pan to melt. Scoop out about 1/3 of a cup of batter and pour into the pan. Leave the pancake to spread on its own and cook for a few minutes. You'll know it's ready to flip when the air bubbles start to form on the top. If you're unsure, just use a spatula to lift the side and check the bottom. Flip and cook for a further few minutes on the opposite side. If your pancakes are browning a little too quickly, just adjust the heat. Place the cooked pancake on a plate and repeat with the next. You should get about 6 or 7 pancakes out of this recipe, so continue until you're out of batter. Top the pancakes with maple syrup and any other of your favourite toppings. Send me a photo if you try out this recipe. I would love to see your favorite pancake topping. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
ค่ะหลังจากที่เราชมคลิปไปแล้วนะคะ นักเรียนก็ได้มาดู English version คือการทำแพนเค้กเป็นภาษาอังกฤษทั้งส่วนผสมและวิธีการทำนะคะเขียนออกมาจากวิดีโอคลิปได้2รูปแบบนี้ทีนี้งานที่นักเรียนจะต้องทำก็คือคุณครูให้นักเรียนไปหาวิธีการทำอาหารอะไรก็ได้เป็นภาษาอังกฤษง่ายๆนะคะอาจจะเป็นข้าวผัดหรือว่าแซนด์วิชหรือว่าอะไรก็ได้นะคะเขียนใส่ในสมุดออกมาส่งครูนะคะในครั้งที่เราเจอกันให้เวลาทำ2 สัปดาห์ค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ